Get ready to dive into the battle of tech titans, the Google Pixel 10 Pro versus the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. Both pack stunning displays, powerhouse chipsets, and advanced cameras, but which one truly stands out? Today, we'll compare their screen size and brightness, processing muscle, camera capabilities, battery endurance, memory options, durability, and of course, price. Can Google's Tensor G5 chipset outperform Huawei's Kirin 9020? Does the Pixel's 8K video recording trump Huawei's telephoto zoom prowess? And with a price difference this big, is the premium cost of the Huawei justified? Stick around because by the end, you might just rethink your next smartphone purchase. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra boasts a larger 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with an impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it ideal for vibrant outdoor viewing and immersive media consumption. Although the Pixel 10 Pro has a slightly higher pixel density at 495 ppi, Huawei's bigger screen and superior brightness gives it the edge for a visually stunning experience. Under the hood, the Google Pixel 10 Pro's Google Tensor G5 chipset, built on a 4nm process, delivers a significant performance boost over Huawei's 7nm Kirin 9020, featuring a powerful octa-core CPU with a 3.78 GHz Cortex-X4 Prime Core. This means smoother multitasking and better efficiency, especially for AI-driven tasks. When it comes to photography, the Pixel 10 Pro shines with its versatile triple camera setup, including a 50MP wide lens with OIS and an ultra-wide 48-megapixel sensor. Its ability to record 8K video at 30 FPS through cloud-based upscaling sets it apart for creators seeking ultra-high-resolution content. Huawei offers more telephoto zoom levels but lacks the Pixel's video prowess. Huawei Pura 80 Ultra comes equipped with a larger 5700 mAh LiPo battery compared to the Pixel 10 Pro's 4870 mAh, promising longer usage between charges, which is crucial for heavy users and travelers. Both devices offer up to 1 TB of storage paired with 16 GB of RAM, but Huawei starts at a higher 512 GB space, catering to users who need ample space right out of the box without compromise. In terms of durability, both phones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, but Huawei goes a step further with an IP69 rating, providing protection against high-pressure water jets and deeper immersion up to 2 meters, making it more rugged for extreme conditions. Price-wise, the Google Pixel 10 Pro is significantly more affordable at $999, while the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra commands a premium $1,400 price tag. The question remains, is the extra cost worth the enhanced display and battery life, or does the Pixel offer better value for most users?